Gmail app not working, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail app not working problem. So guys, if you're not receiving any message, if you're not receiving any mail, or if you are not able to send email to someone, then this video is absolutely for you. So if you're facing any kind of problem in your Gmail app, watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to Play Store on your device, or if you are using iOS, go to App Store, and here on the search bar you have to search for Gmail. Okay, you have to search for Gmail, and here you can see, yeah, this is the Gmail, and you'll get an update option. If you get this update option, make sure to click on update, and you have to update your Gmail app. So after updating, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. So probably the problem will be solved, guys. If it is not solved, then no need to worry. You have to go to your phone settings on your device. Okay, after going to phone settings, go to go to apps. After going to apps, here you have to click on app management or install apps, okay, or app list. So here you have to search for Gmail. Here it is, simply tap on Gmail, and after tapping to this Gmail, here you will find one option, permission. In different devices, there will be different font, different style, but you have to click on permissions. Okay, and then here you have to check whether you have allow each and every permission or not. Make sure that you allow each and every permission out here. After allowing this, go to storage usage, and then here you have to clear the cache. Okay, as well as you can clear the data also, but I won't recommend you. So after doing this, just go back and check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you need to do is that you have to go to Gmail section and delete, if you remove your Gmail. Okay, after removing your Gmail, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can re-log in with your Gmail account. The problem will be absolutely solved. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon in the next video.